Welcome back to my channel, guys. I hope you're all doing well. So today I challenged myself to do my makeup in just 5 minutes. So I set a timer for 5 minutes and this is what I could do. I'm also going to list down all the products in the description box down below because it would be impossible for me to do my makeup as well as show you the products in just 5 minutes. I also want to tell you that this video is not edited, so you guys can know what one can actually do in just 5 minutes. So if you want to see how I did this in just 5 minutes and what I could actually do, please keep on watching. Do let me know how much time you take to apply your makeup. And with that, it's a wrap. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. For those who are new here, I post videos every week and I will see you very soon in my next video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching.